Hello and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a super quick and delicious dessert, instant Rasmalai. Soft, milky and absolutely melt in the mouth, all in just a few minutes. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl take 1 cup milk powder, half teaspoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix well. Rasmalai is revealed to have originated in Bengal. Traditional Rasmalai takes hours, but this version is ready in minutes. Then beat 1 egg. Add the beaten egg and combine into a smooth dough. Don't overmix the dough, it should stay soft. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now grease your hands with oil and shape small round balls. Ras means juice and malai means cream. Together they make this royal dessert. It's one of the most popular sweets served during festivals and weddings. In a pan add 3 cup milk. Bring it to a boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar and 2 cardamoms. Use full fat milk for the richest flavor. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then gently drop the milk balls into the boiling milk. Cook milk balls on low heat to keep them soft and spongy. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Milk is rich in calcium and protein, great for bones. Cardamom aids digestion and adds natural aroma. Using less sugar makes it a lighter dessert option. Milk powder rasmalai is protein packed and energizing. Turn off the heat. Chill rasmalai before serving for the best taste. And that's our quick and creamy instant rasmalai, perfect for any celebration or when you crave something sweet in minutes. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, do you like your rasmalai chilled or warm?